Hello my friends, welcome back to SK Crypto Updates. We are going to learn about MetaMask wallet, crypto wallet, how to use. You can use as a hard wallet, connecting your hard wallet like a ledger, and also this is your crypto wallet. You can keep your coin secure. You can buy or swap your coin using taps and apps. A lot of activities inside. Especially new launching coin using BAC pad, Kicks pad, or any other now new launching Tron pad. So all that you can use through MetaMask, connecting Uniswap or PancakeSwap. You can connect to this one. So this is many activities inside. Let's see. Hello my friends, welcome to SK Crypto. Today we are going to learn about how to install MetaMask into browser extension, either Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Any browser, I will show you how to do it. First you can go to Google and type MetaMask. Okay, you come into this site. When you come here, you go, this direct you to here. Click on download button. Install MetaMask for Chrome. This is I have my browser is Chrome. First, you can add to Chrome. If you are in Firefox, just say add to Firefox. Okay, this is add the extension. Then you can see on top of your right hand corner on the top of your desktop. If you not see, you can add on manually. Just go to add-ons. So these extensions, you can pin it. Okay, you can see now it's here. Okay, let's go get the standards MetaMask. Okay, first you have to say if you have already wallet, you have say import the wallet. In this case, we are going to go create a new wallet. Okay, you have to agree these things. If not agree, no. That's good. Okay, firstly give a password. Okay. Create wallet. So next step is click here to reveal the secret words. So this is your secret words. If example if you forget your password or anywhere else you want to log in any other device, these things you need it. Make sure not reveal anyone of these things. This phrase you store few places, like example you can put in pen drive or you can write down somewhere. Don't lose these things. You need it. Okay, I'll copy this one. Okay. Next. Then they will ask, please select each phrase in order to make sure is correct. So by order you have to give this one. The first word is clean, second is brass, box, that, price useful, remember, what is it, member 0, member nothing. Okay, this is the words. By order, something went wrong. This is the phrase by order. Make sure you never reveal this phrase to anyone. That means your wallet, whatever coins, someone can steal. So it's confirm, all done. You can see we go through these things. I'm not going to do. Okay, you are inside the wallet now. MetaMask is a Ethereum-based web browser extension. This is your account. This is your contract address. Example, if you want to send some coins to here, you can give you this address. You can simply copy. Also, any transaction you use on the Ethereum smart contract or paying all the smart contract. So as I said before, Ethereum gas fees is very high. To avoid that, you can pay through any other solutions like Binance Smart Chain from BNBs or any other through any other dApps like Pancake Shop or Bakery Shop. You can connect through here. We will discuss about more details about my next video. I will show you at the moment how to connect your hardware wallet. Connect any hardware wallets is here. Example, Ledger or Tezos. You click the wallet and simply continue and go ahead. At the moment, my wallet I'm not going to connect, so I can't show you right now. If you connect Tezos, same is a Tezos hardware wallet. You simply connect to your device and continue. I will show you how to buy from another example somewhere else from outside. How you buy using MetaMask. This is Sophie coins. Let's say in this case I came to CoinGecko and search coin, or let's go Uniswap. This is Ethereum based coin. When you click Uniswap, you come in here, then you can click on this MetaMask sign, the little box. When you click, you straight connect to your wallet. If we are here, let's say add token, then MetaMask automatically add in your token you wish to buy. You can click on Uniswap. When you click, it's coming here. Then you swap your coin using Ethereum. So Ethereum should come up. So we select here ETH because your balance was Ethereum. So let's say we are going to swap 0.01 Ethereum, that's $25 worth Ethereum to Uni. So this is the advanced option, slippage tolerance. You can keep 2%, 3% or custom, you can change it. This means like example, let's say at the moment Uni price is $24.59. So let's say uni price is the moment we buy, let's say uni price goes up by another $1, 25 instead of 24. This is a 3% up or down. That's a slippage tolerance. Maybe price change, we keep advance 3% up or down. So let's see now, swapping, giving Ethereum and buying Uni. Just swap. This is checking all the markets. 1 inch, no, down. Let's see all the exchange. Okay, this is 0.01 Ethereum. This is the calculations 1.04 unit coming. But if you're happy, just say swap. This is a processing transaction. Okay, transaction is complete. So 1.04 uni, it is in my wallet. Let's go and see, or you can view your transaction in the scan as well. This is a transaction. If you want to view in Ether scan, it's here. This is on Ether scan. These are full details. You can tweet. Okay, you can see now here the uni is our account. Okay, we will talk about all the other browser extensions, how to connect to the MetaMask for my next video. Please do your own research before you take any decisions. Cryptocurrencies is high volatility, so this is only education and entertainment purpose only. So stay with our channel, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. See you soon. Thank you.